Now with the Easy Texting integration to Squarespace, you can automate text notifications from your Easy Texting account. First, log into your Easy Texting dashboard and click Integrations on the left. Here you can connect the Squarespace integration. You'll be prompted to log into your Squarespace account and allow Easy Texting permissions to connect. And just like that, your accounts are connected. Here you can activate and edit your messages for your customers. To set up Easy Texting for your Squarespace store checkout, go to your Squarespace website. And on the left, click on Commerce. Then scroll down to Cart and Checkout. Under Checkout, scroll down to find additional fields. And check the box for Enable Custom Checkout Forms. Now let's edit the custom form. Give the form a name, like text notifications. And then add form fields for the following. First, add a phone field and rename it to phone number. In the description box, let's add helpful text, such as enter your phone number if you'd like to receive order updates and marketing notifications via text. The second field will be the checkbox field, and let's call this Please Select. In the description box, we recommend the following text. Interested in receiving text messages for order updates and promotions? Check the following to opt in. Let's rename our options to Yes, I'd like to receive order updates, and Yes, I'd like to receive promotions. The third form field is the line option. Here we can inform your customers on what to expect when opting in for text notifications. We recommend using the following text. By checking this box, I consent to receive automated text messages, recurring messages subscriptions, message and data rates may apply. This is also a good spot to include a link to your policies and terms of agreement. Click Save, and now your form is saved with your website's checkout flow. Here's an example of what your order form may look like. In your Easy Texting account, we can now edit the settings to complete the integration. In the opt-in field, we will type in the title of the checkbox field we created called Please Select. In the phone number field, we will type the title of the phone field we created in Squarespace called Phone Number. Click Save, and your checkout form is now complete, allowing your customers to easily opt into your Easy Text list. If you have any questions, check out our help docs or chat with an expert. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.